Hi everyone, welcome to week 8 of CAT125R. This week, as you begin your collaborative curation assignment, we will be focusing on curation. As you look through the module for this unit, you'll notice that the interviews with faculty experts are marked as optional and for further viewing. I think you'll find that they still have helpful information to help you think through topics like collaboration, curation, ethics, and intellectual property. But it might be more helpful for you to explore them on your own rather than watching them with a set of directed questions as you are taking on the role of researcher for your final assignment in the course. This week, as you begin working on your collaborative curation project, I want you to begin thinking about the various forms of collaboration that you have been participating in thus far in the course, and to start thinking about what those forms of collaboration can open up for you as you begin to work with your peers on the curation assignment. So far, the major forms of collaboration in the course have been in the discussions that you've had in your sections and the small group work you've done there, and then also the discussion, commenting, and feedback that you've been sharing with one another on Piazza and in the more formal peer review assignments. One of your readings this week from the social media reader titled "What is Collaboration Anyway?" makes a distinction between sharing and collaboration. The authors identify a blog as a typical example of sharing. It's a one-to-many form of communication in which a single identified author is creating content for an audience. On the other hand, the authors cite a wiki as an example of the strongest form of collaboration. It's a many-to-many model in which individual authorship is not as valued as the collective creation of content. They also discuss the collaborative potential of social media platforms especially when those platforms add in an additional layer of coordination. For example, an instruction to include a particular hashtag with tweets about an event or topic. For example, the recent GOP debate. As you begin working on your curation project, think about the layers and types of collaboration that are involved. Of course, you'll be engaging in typical teamwork type collaboration with your group members, but consider whether and how Storify opens up the types of social media collaboration discussed in this week's readings. I'm going to keep this week's video short in order to give you plenty of time this week to get started with the research and collaboration for your curation projects. Next week, we'll take a look at some sample Storify projects on intellectual property and discuss some concrete strategies for putting together your own group projects. Good luck this week, and as always, if you have questions, you can find me on Piazza, over email, or in my office hours. Have a good week.